Hi, I'm David with Insideout Home Inspection. Over the years, a lot of clients have been curious about what types of tools does a home inspector use, or what type of tools do I use for my home inspection. And here they are. I want to display them for you. Certainly nothing's required, but I do have a number of tools that I think really keep me more safe and also provide a better inspection. Here they are. This is an infrared camera, so the most expensive of my tools, but also a priceless instrument when it comes to home inspecting. It's the Flir E5. What it does, it can't see through walls, but it kind of does look like that at certain instances. You can see moisture in a material. I use it for a variety of inspecting throughout the home. You can see overloaded light switches or outlets, breakers, missing insulation up in the attic space. It can at times see moisture in materials, so walls, ceilings, flooring, and most prevalently we use it for the HVAC system, taking temperature differentials at the air registers and the cold air intake. Probably the most fun instrument I use is a drone. So it's a DJI Phantom. It's perfect for those rooftops that I can't get up on. I prefer to walk on every roof possible, but certainly if the roof is unsafe, it's too high, fragile tiles that it could end up doing a lot of damage, I'm going to fly my drone over the top. It's perfect, it's fun. Here are some of my hand tools. Rechargeable flashlight, it's a stream light. Awesome flashlight, throws a lot of light for a long distance, great for crawl spaces and up in the attic. Here I have a voltage tester. These things are pretty awesome as well. Perfect for testing if there's power going to two-prong receptacles, and say a light bulb is missing from a fixture, I can turn it on, stick it up into the socket and see if there's power actually going to that fixture. Also, in older homes, there might be knob and tube wiring. A lot of times that wiring is abandoned, and but we don't know. And not only is it a perfect tool for keeping myself safe, but also relaying that information onto the buyers. This is a standard receptacle tester, so it's going to show me if the wiring is correct. And then I'm also able to push this button and trip GFCI receptacles. A lot of times, not every receptacle, like in kitchens or baths, exterior and garage, where currently GFCI receptacles are required, do they have one of those GFCI receptacles. However, oftentimes they are wired to one that is in another location, and this helps me determine where that location is. Also have little screwdriver, big wrench, water pressure gauge, and a golf ball. This will show me if floors are level, and a tape measure. So there we have it. Those are some of the tools that I use inspecting homes, along with the big ladder and a van to carry all that stuff in. But feel free to leave any comments, ask me any questions.